how to fix WhatsApp not showing contacts name. So if you want to fix WhatsApp not showing contacts name, then first make sure that you have an internet connection. After that, you need to open up your Play Store. From your Play Store, you can go with search at first. Under search, you need to search for WhatsApp, and if you have any updates, then you just need simply go and update your WhatsApp. After updating, your problem might be if that doesn't fix your problem, then tap and hold on to your WhatsApp and then go with the app info. Under app info, you can go with storage and cache and then go with clear cache. After clearing your cache, your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, then go with the app permissions, and under permissions, if you have not allowed the permissions like camera, contacts, the main thing is contacts. You need to go with contacts and then go with allow. After allowing your contacts, your WhatsApp not showing contact name will be fixed. Now once you've done with all of these, you just need simply go and restart your device. After restarting, you can use your WhatsApp and you will find your contacts. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.